Hello and welcome back everyone to AW Programming and Lectures. In today's lecture we will cover keywords and identifiers in C. So what are keywords? We all know keywords are predefined reserved words used in programming that have special meaning to the compiler. So it's basically a part of the syntax and it cannot be used by the identifier. Some of the keywords I have listed down is auto, break, char, continue, default, double, else, extern, float, for, goto, int, long. So continuing with keywords, the remaining keywords are return, short, struct, switch, void, if, do and while. There are basically 32 keywords in total in C language, but I have mentioned few of them here only. The remaining keywords can be const, typedef, signed, volatile, and they are not generally used that much. So I have mentioned the important ones which are generally used more day to day. Now let's move on to the identifiers. Now let's talk about identifiers. Identifiers are the names given to C entities such as variables, functions, structures, etc. These are created to give unique name to C entities so that it can be identified during the execution of program. There are some rules regarding the identifiers. So special characters like hash, dollar, these cannot be included, but underscore can be used. But two successive underscores cannot be used at the same time. Also, third, any keyword cannot be used as an identifier. So there will be a misplaced confusion regarding the compiler. So to treat that variable as an identifier or as an keyword. So identifiers are case sensitive, and the identifier name should begin with an alphabet or an underscore. So which means you can't probably use digits. So identifier should not contain more than 31 characters. That is, its length is limited up to 31 characters.